everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this easy yellow eyeshadow look perfect for the summertime. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done and my face is already primed and moisturized as well. So let's just get started with the video. I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. brush and this NYX eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be placing that literally like into my crease and a little bit above my crease. And I'm also going to be placing that on my lid, but in a second you will see how I'm going to be making my lid a little bit brighter. But as of right now, I'm just taking that NYX eyeshadow and just placing that into my crease and blending it out. I absolutely love this eyeshadow because it's pigmented. You don't need to do a lot of work with this eyeshadow, and it's very affordable. And y'all know I love my affordable makeups, and it's super easy. This is the only eyeshadow I use during the whole video, so yeah. Now, as I was saying, to get my lid a bit bright, I'm going to be taking this match lid from Fenty Beauty and placing that on my lid because I wanted to this eyeshadow to pop a little bit brighter. So that's what I'm doing with that. I'm going back in with that NYX eyeshadow and placing it right on top of that, just so it can be a bit brighter. And I'm just blending everything out. And I'm going to be taking my Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty, of course. And I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone a little bit. Also going to be taking that same highlighter and brighten up my inner corners just a little bit. And now it is time for foundation. If you know me, you know I really don't fuck with foundation for real, but anyways, this is my go-to foundation. It's the Maybelline FITME foundation, and I absolutely love it, especially for my dry skin. What I like to do is work one side of the face, blend it out, and then move on to the other side. And each product that I use in this video will be listed down in the description box. So if you want to know any details about any products, then make sure you check the description box down below. Next up, I'm going to be doing is highlighting. I'm going to take my matte Prolong Wear concealer, and I'm just going to be highlighting all the high points of my face, which are under my eyes, highlighting my chin, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit under my nose, Cupid's bow, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques makeup sponge and blending out that concealer. So y'all, it was like 6 o'clock in the morning when I was filming this this video. So I just grabbed my little Starbucks drink and let that concealer sit a little bit under my eyes because I like to let it thicken up and stuff like that for more full coverage. But this Starbucks drink is so good. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna be going back into that concealer and blending it out with that beauty sponge. Once that is all done and blending out, I like to take my Sasha Buttercup setting powder and set that concealer. So everywhere I place the concealer, I like to go ahead and just, you know, set that in place under my eyes, my chin, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and a little bit on my smile lines. And right now I'm just dusting away that setting powder. I really don't like baking, so literally after I set it, I just dust it right away. Once that is done, I like to move on to contour. I like to take this LA Pro Girl concealer and then just, you know, contour my cheeks out because I have a chubby cheek, so I love a good contour. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm doing a little bit on my forehead as well, and taking that same sponge and blending everything out. And what I'm doing is basically like warming up my face a little bit, bronzing or whatever you want to call it. I'm just warming up my face and also setting that liquid concealer in place as well. And I'm taking this black Radiance contour palette, and as you can see, it's hitting the pan. I need to get some more, but yeah, I just contoured my face a little bit, warmed it up a little. And right now you see me just cutting my cheeks. I also applied my lashes on camera. Going to take this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and then just, you know, give myself a coat of mascara on top of my falsies, lining my bottom lash line just a little bit. And I'm going to be taking the same eyeshadow I've been using and placing on my waterline. I don't know what to call this, but yeah. I'm just going to be taking that just so the color can be, you know, a bit more vibrant and bright under my eye. And I'm going to be also putting mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to be taking this Maybelline FITME blush, and I absolutely love this blush. It's definitely my go-to. And then just be, you know, putting some color into my face. I'll also like to take this blush and put a little bit on my nose. I like a little bit of blush on my nose. I'm going to be taking that setting powder and just dusting it away. And as you can see, my cheeks look a bit slimmer. I'm going to be taking this NYX illuminator highlighter and then just highlighting my face a little bit just so my makeup and skin can look dewy and very glowy. And I like to do this with my fingers because I feel like that's the best applicator to me. It looks better when you blend it out with your finger. And then I like to take that same matchstick from Fenty Beauty and go right on top of that and blend that out with my finger as well. Because as you can see, it was a bit harsh, but when I blended it out with my finger, it was just perfect. I like to go ahead and do my nose and my forehead, my chin as well. And right now, I'm moisturizing my lips because they was extra dry today. And putting lip gloss on top of that moisturizer. This look was literally so simple, y'all, and so easy. But yeah, right now I'm just setting my face, make sure my makeup can last all day. And literally, I'm all finished. Like, it was so easy. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody. And yeah, I guess that was it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. He keep on dialing Nikki like the